Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log out of your Shippo account. So first of all, open a web browser of your choice and type in goshippo.com. If you are logged into your account, you will then land in the main homepage of Shippo. If you ever want to sign out of your account and you don't know how, then it is pretty easy. From the main homepage of Shippo, go to the upper right corner and click on the account button. In the pop-up, click on log out and you will then be able to log out of your Shippo account and you will end up in the main official website. To log in back again, you will need to enter your email and password. So make sure you remember those credentials to sign in again and access your account. So that's how you can easily and quickly log out of your Shippo account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.